find dy dx when y squared equals to ln x squared plus y squared. So this is an implicit function. Y squared is in the form of y to the power of n. So using chain rule or general power rule, we can differentiate as bring down the power n, copy down y, the power minus 1, and times with dy dx. And for ln x squared plus y squared, we're going to use the natural log differentiation, which is we need to differentiate x squared plus y squared, or the function. Then we copy down the function. As easy as that. So now let us differentiate. Differentiate y squared, so write down the power, copy down y, the power minus 1, which is 1, so I'm not going to write down, and times with dy dx equals to, now we're going to differentiate x squared plus y squared with respect to x, so we're going to get 2x plus, and we already differentiate y squared just now, so it is same as this one, plus 2y dy dx, divide with, and we copy down the whole function, so we copy down x squared plus y squared. Now let us simplify this. So let us cross multiply x squared plus y squared to the left hand side first, so it's going to be easier. So we're going to get 2y, I rearrange this as x squared plus y squared times with dy dx equals to 2x plus 2y dy dx. So let us collect all the dy dx on the left hand side. So we're going to get 2y x squared plus y squared dy dx. So this one is going to be minus 2y dy dx, and on the right hand side is 2x. Now we have all the terms of dy dx on the left hand side. We're going to factorize the dy dx. So dy dx times with 2y x squared plus y squared minus 2y equals to 2x. So we can write down as dy dx, cross multiply to the right hand side. So we're going to get 2x divide with 2y times with x squared plus y squared minus 2y, and I'm going to factorize some more, the 2y, so we're going to get x squared plus y squared minus 1 and if we simplify this 2, we divide this by 2, so x over with y times with x squared plus y squared minus 1, and that is the first derivative of y squared equals to ln x squared plus y squared. That's it.